Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. Today, this video is a continuation of my very interesting and very popular series of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthan discussion from chapter number 1 to chapter number 30. Today, we will discuss Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthan chapter 4, part 4. My dear friends, purposefully, I have made a separate parts in each chapter to understand the concept very easily and in an interesting manner and also without tasking your brain from a long duration. This is the purpose. If I make a video of 2 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour, that will is not good for your study purpose. Understanding is more important. Myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine, that is Kaya Chikitsa, and MD in Ayurvedic physiology, that is a Kriya Sharir or Sharira Kriya. So let us start discuss about from stroke number 22. This is Vagbhat, Ashtang Hriday Sutra Sthan, chapter 4, Rogan Anutpadani. Prevention is better than cure. Shlok number 22 to shlok number 36. This is the last part of chapter 4. Important questions of SAQ, short answer question. It may be 3 marks or it may be 5 marks. Number 1, Dharaniya Vega. Physical urges should not be suppressed, but mental urges should be controlled. Control. Nana Patekar in one of the Bollywood film. Control. Yes. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mad, Matsara. 6 negative thoughts. 6 negative energies of your mind should be under control because mind is very unstable. Okay. Dharaniya Vega. Mental. Importance of Shodhana. Agantuja Vyadhi. Then Agantu Vyadhi Chikitsa. Nija and Agantu. These are the two types of diseases. One is natural with the physical and mental situation, and Agantuja means coming from outside. Coming from outside, they are Agantuja. They may be infectious diseases like bacterial, viral, fungal infections. They may be psychological in origin. Okay. Pradnyaparad, very interesting topics. All topics are very interesting for whole of your life. Pradnyaparad. Ayurveda says there are 3 important causes for any diseases. Either of asatmi indriyartha sanyoga, pradnyaparad, and parinama. Asatmya indriyartha sanyog, improper contact of your sense organs and the sense object. Then pradnyaparad. Pradnya is intelligence. Pradnya is buddhi. Pradnya is your decision making capacity. Pradnya. Dhi plus dhruti plus smruti. Write down. Pradnya is equal to, intelligence is equal to dhi plus dhruti plus smruti. Dhi means yogya, ayogya, proper and improper decision making. There should not be any confusion. Dhruti means courage. Whatever the proper decision you take, you should able to implement that thing. Courage, dhairya. And smruti is memory. So if any of this faculty of brain, of intelligence, like dhi, dhruti, smruti, vibhrishtaha, when they are not functioning properly, vibhrishta, yat kurute ashubham, pradnyaparadham tam vidyat sarva dosha prakopanam. Vata, pitta, kapha will be get vitiated. Prakupita vata, pitta, kapha because of your intelligence problem. Are you getting my point? Pradnyaparad, very important topic. Proper season for Shodhana Karma. Who can remain healthy? Vagbhat is saying Ashtanga Hridaya. Causes of diseases. Sarve api jayante. All the diseases. Sarve api jayante vega udirana dharanehi. So you will say, doctor, tell me how that particular pneumonial infection, how tuberculosis infection, how my corona infection is caused by vega udirana dharanehi. My dear friends, this is the cause of your immunity disturbances. Vyadhi kshamatva will be damaged. Your immunity will be weak. Immunity will be low. And because of low immunity, you will suffer from corona. You will suffer from tuberculosis. You will suffer from urinary tract infection. Low immunity is the basic cause, and low immunity is caused because of Vega Udirana Dharanaihi. That is why Sarve all the diseases are caused by Vega Udirana Dharanaihi. Try to understand the indirect reference. Okay. Nirdishtam sadhanam tatra bhuishtam ye tu yana prati. My dear friends, Ashtanga Hridaya Sutra Sthan, chapter 1 to chapter 30, important shlokas, important questions, and shlokas with Sandhi Vigraha only on Ayurveda Academy Professor Deshpande channel. No other channel is available with this type of discussion. Yes, I am sure about it. Factors responsible for the manifestation of all the diseases. All the diseases will be manifested due to the forceful expulsion or voluntary suppression of physical natural urges like defecation and urination. Vega Avarodha Vyadhi treatment. Management principle is given by Vagbhat Ashtanga Hridaya. Tatha cha anekadha prayaha pavano yat prakuprit. The main culprit, main problem is with Vata dosh. Vata disturbance, Vata bioenergy get problematic because of the Vega Udirana Dharana, irregular impulses, arrhythmic activity will take place. And arrhythm, Vishamata, Vishama Guna is disturbing the Vata dosh. Okay, irregularity is always disturbing the Vata dosh. If your lifestyle is irregular, your Vata dosh will be affected. And as you know, how important is Vata dosh? Pittam pangu, kafa pangu, pangavo maladhatvaha, vayuna yatra niyante, tatra varshanti megavat. Pitta pangu, kafa pangu, pangavo maladhatvaha, vayuna yatra niyante, tatra varshanti megavat. Ayurveda says, Pitta is not independent, Kapha is not independent, Mala not independent, Dhatu not independent. Vata dosh is controlling all the physiological and pathological activities of Pitta, of Kapha, of Dhatu, of Mala. That is why amongst all these body elements, Vata dosh is supposed to be the main governing principle. Main governing principle, Vata dosh, brain activity, nervous activity, neurological activity, nervous system activities. Most important controlling system of the body. Don't forget it. Okay. Annapana aushudha tasya yujitaha ataha anulomanam. Vatanulomana is the most important treatment principle in Vegan-Dharayat Vyadhi, Vegavarodhajanya Vyadhi, Vegavarodhajanya Vyadhi, the main principle of treatment, Vatanuloman. Okay. General line of treatment. Effects of the suppression of natural urges and their treatment have been explained till now separately. Since Vata is provoked by various causes and in multiple forms everywhere, then what you should do? Select food, select drinks, beverages, select food substances which is having pacifying the doshas as well as anulomana, physiological direction of movement of Vata dosh. It may be the physical propulsion, it may be the chemical conduction, it may be the cell membrane transport, it may be the nerve impulse, everything should be physiological. Dharaniya Veg, mental. Dharaye tu sada vegan hitaishi pretya cha ihacha. Lobha, control, irsha, control, dvesh, matsarya, raga, adinam, jitendriyaha. You must have a good control on your senses, on your mind, for the benefit of being happy in both the worlds. Both the world, ihaloka in this life and paraloka, life in the other world. One should always control the senses, that is mind, man is ubhayendriya. Jnanendriya, karmendriya. Jnanendriya, sensory organs. Karmendriya, motor organs. Vak, shrotra, tvak, chakshu, रसना घ्राण, श्रोत्र त्वक चक्षु रसना घ्राण ज्ञानेन्द्रिय, वाक् पाणी पाद पायु उपस्थ कर्मेंद्रिय, and man is ubhendriya, controlling sensory organs and controlling motor organs. Okay, then and also should suppress the urges like greedy, lobha, irsha, excessive ambition, dvesha, hatred, matsarya, jealousy, and raga, that is anger. Necessary of purification therapy, shodhana chikitsa, panchakarma, 5 detoxificating processes, body cleansing processes, vamana, virechana, basti, raktamokshana, and nasti. Vamana, therapeutic vomiting for kapha dosha. Virechana, therapeutic purgation for pitta dosha. Basti, medicated enema for vata dosha. Raktamokshan, for removing impure blood problem. And Nastya Urdhva Jatrugata Vyadhi. 5 important procedures to clean your body, that is Shodhana Chikitsa. Yatech Ythakalam Malanam Shodhanam Prati. Atyartha Sanchitaha. If it is not vitiated doshas are not removed from the body, Tehi Kriddaha. Kriddaha. Here, Kriddaha Su Jivitachidaha. Sometimes can be fatal. Always try to purify malas from the body at the proper time. If mala, that is detox, what is toxic material? Mala means toxic material accumulated extremely, like uremia, leads to their aggravation and do at some times cause the threat to life, threatening condition. Importance of Shodhana Chikitsa. There are 2 types of Chikitsa in Ayurveda, Shodhana and Shamana. Shodhana, Panchakarma, purificatory processes, detoxic processes, detox, and Shamana, palliative treatment, giving the internal medicines. Okay, doshaha kadachit kupyanti jita langana pachanai. This shlok is very important from first year to last year and throughout your life. If you are an Ayurvedic physician, if you are an Ayurvedic person, Ayurveda well-wisher, this shlok is very, very, very important. Doshaha kadachit kupyanti jitalangana pachanaihi yetu sanshodhanaihi shuddha natesham punarudbhavaha, natesham punarudbhavaha. Doshas vitiated, vat pitta kapha, do at sometimes get aggravated. By treating them with fasting, shamana chikitsa, langana, and digestive drugs, langana, deepana, pachana, all these shamana chikitsa, there is no chance of relapse by treating the purificatory processes. Now this, some people, they say this is called as a tall claim. How it is possible? Rheumatoid arthritis, for example, there is a natural up and downs, is not totally curable, is not totally curable. Epilepsy, or it may be psoriasis. Some diseases are not 100% curable. Asthma, bronchial asthma, not 100% curable. Then what is the statement punarudbhava? If I give the vamana, can I treat the bronchial asthma permanently? Permanently remove from the body? No, it's not possible. What is the meaning of na tesham punarudbhava? Dr. Deshpande has nicely explained that intensity and frequency of the attack, intensity and frequency of the attack is reduced. For example, bronchial asthmatic attack after Vasantika Vamana, Vaman Chikitsa in the spring season. So, na tesham punarudbhava means some diseases will be 100% cure without any relapse, but some cases you will find that we can control the intensity and frequency of the attack when you perform the Shodhana Chikitsa. Hence, Shodhana therapy is superior to the Shamana Chikitsa. Rasayan and Vajikaran, rejuvenation and aphrodisiac. Yathakramam yathayogam at urdhum prayojit. Rasayanani siddhani vrishya yogan chakalavit. Administration of Rasayan and Vajikaran yoga or the medicines. Yoga means medicines. So after adopting, eliminating techniques according to the season, rejuvenation tonics, and aphrodisiacs should be administered to lead a healthy, happy, and long life. Regime to be adopted after purificatory measures. So, the following steps should be taken to regain the strength. Foods like shali, rice, shashtik, the rice grown in the 60 days, shali shashtik, godhuma, wheat, mudga, green gram, ma, what is that? Grita, marsha grita, made appetizing and digestible by combining with palatable and digestive drugs are to be given. Deepana Pachana type of, for example, Trikatu, that can be given. Marsha grita, remember, he is a marsha grita. Abhyanga, Udvartana, Abhyanga is oil massage. Udvartana, dry powder massage. Snana, bathing, shower. Niruha Basti, with decoction. And Sneha Basti, Anuvasana Basti. There are two types of Basti, Anuvasana and Asthapan, is to be administered. Effects of treatment. What will be benefit? By the above steps, one can get health, increase of all types of the digestive powers. Your metabolic system will be very strong. Digestion system will be good. Improve the intelligence. It will not only affect the physical level, it can give the benefit at a mental level. Body complexion, then sensory perception will be increased, virility, and increases the lifespan. Agantuja Roga. This is also interesting. Diseases which are caused by Bhuta. Don't get shocked. Oh, Rakshasa, Bhuta. What is that in Ayurveda? Bhuta means invisible organisms like bacteria and viruses. Visha, poisons, animal bites like rabies, adulterations, and infections. Vayu, that is cyclones, air pollution. Agni, that is burn injuries. Then Kshata, that is wound. Bhagna, fractures. And Raga, Dvesha, and Bhaya, psychological imbalances, are known as Agantuja Rog or exogenous disorders. Endogenous and exogenous. Nija and Agantu. Procedures to be adopted for the management of Nija and Agantuja Roga. Avoidance of improper activities of body, mind, and speech. Sharir, Mana, and Vacha. By willful transgression of rules, control over senses, remembering the previous experiences, knowledge pertaining to place, time, and constitution. Desh, Kal, Atma, Vijnan. Desh, Kal, Atma, Vijnan. Desh, Kal, Atma, Vijnan. I must understand what is my age, where I am living, what is the atmosphere over there, what is my constitution, and then I follow my lifestyle. Adherence to the rules of good conduct as prescribed in Atharva Veda, propitiating the unforgetful grahas, that is planets, adopting the ways to keep away from bhuta, that is infectious problems, is the treatment in general for the management of both exogenous and endogenous diseases, nija and agantuja vyadhi. Suitable time for the elimination of vitiated doshas, shodhana chikitsa. The accumulated doshas of cold seasons, that is Hemanta and Shishira, should be purified in Vasanta Rutu. Because in Vasanta Rutu, spring season, Kapha Prakop is there, and Vasantik Vaman, therapeutic vomiting, is the best treatment for Kapha dosha. Similarly, those accumulated of Grishma Rutu should be eliminated during Varsha Rutu, and the doshas like Vata dosh, Chaya Prakop Prasham, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad. Grishma Chaya, Vata Chaya, Varsha, Vata Prakop. So their basti should be given in the rainy season. Accumulated in Varsha Rutu also should be expelled from the body during the Sharad Rutu. Pitta, Chaya Prakop Prasham. What is Pitta? Varsha, Sharad, Hemanta. Varsha, Pitta Chaya. Sharad, Pitta Prakop. Varsha, Sharad, Hemanta, Pitta Shaman. Chaya Prakop Prasham. Okay. So here we can give the Rakta Mokshan or Virechan Chikitsa in the autumn, in the Sharad Rutu, for controlling the Pitta dosha. So in spring, Kapha, Vamana. In Varsha, Vata dosh, Basti. In Sharada, Pitta dosh, Virechan. Okay, by this we can avoid the seasonal problems. Regimen for promotion of health. the following persons will be disease free, fit, nirogi, who are adopting the rules and regulations of wholesome diet and good conduct, sadavrit, doing all activities carefully after thinking twice, having the control over senses, treating all the living beings equally, speaking truth, having the patience and forgiving the mistakes of others, keeping the company of good learned men. This type of the what you can see your personality, then definitely you can have a long, healthy, and happy life. Remember my words. Long, healthy, happy life can be achieved only following all these criteria. So these are the criteria for the promotion of health mentioned by Vagbhat in Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthan. So this is the end of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthan, chapter 4, Rogan Anutpadaniya Adhyaya. Thus ends the fourth chapter entitled Rogan Anutpadaniya Adhyaya of Sutrasthan in Ashtanga Hridaya Samhita, which was composed by Acharya Vagbhat, son of Vaidyapati Simhagupta. Summary: in this chapter, Rogan Anutpadaniya, Acharya Vagbhat explained methods of preventing diseases, 14 types of suppressible natural urges, the effects of suppression, what will happen, the treatment is also given, persons who are not eligible for the treatment, serious complicated people, importance of seasonal regimen and elimination of therapies, importance of Shodhana Chikitsa, na tesham punarudbhava, at end features of diseases, disease-free person, I am sorry, features of disease-free person has been presented. So my dear friends, this is the end of chapter 4, Roga Anutpadani Adhyaya, part 4 from shlok number 22 to shlok number 36. I am very thankful for you, all of your cooperation and love and affection. You please like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. For any paid online consultations, paid teaching programs, please, in spite of calling me, please WhatsApp only on 922-6810-630. This is because of the time restraint. Very less time because of this all the activities. Okay. Thank you very much. Take care and bye-bye.